Welcome. In today's quick guide, we're walking through how to delete a story on Facebook updated for the latest version of the app. If you've ever posted something by accident, or just want to remove a story before it expires, this simple process will help you do it in seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture or your name at the top of the home screen. This takes you directly to your personal profile page where all your posts, photos, and stories are displayed. Next, go to the section titled Your Story. Tap it to open and view the story you've already uploaded. It might be a photo, a video, or even a short text update, no matter what type of story it is. The process is exactly the same. When your story is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots, also known as the menu icon. Tap those dots, and a few options will appear. From that menu, choose Delete Story. Facebook will ask you one last time if you're sure you want to remove it permanently. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your story will be gone. It's that easy. Once deleted, your story disappears instantly, and no one else will be able to view it. If you ever change your mind, you'll need to upload a new version, since deleted stories can't be restored. Whether you posted something by mistake, changed your mind about sharing it, or just want to clean up your stories, these steps will help you take control in under a minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple social media tips. Stay tuned and keep your online presence exactly how you want it.